Hi everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're checking out some of the best new resources that can help you learn UX for free. And these are not your standard courses or standard resources. These are special and unique resources which will help you learn faster and better. So without further ado, let's just get started with the video. So the first resource is really handy because it's the 2022 Holiday and Beyond Design Inspiration Handbook. And this is a free handbook which basically gathers 100 plus design inspirations from various e-commerce websites, travel websites, etc. and kind of puts it into a handbook where it shows you what to do and how to do it. Not only this, GetMason.io also has a tab called Learn and Grow, which has a lot of different resources, things like Maker's List, which is an exclusive club or community where you can learn together with people like product managers, product designers, entrepreneurs, etc. They also have things like blogs for marketing, for design, for UX, and the tool itself, which is Mason.io, will help you create better e-commerce experiences. And they also have integrations like a Figma plugin, Sketch plugin, etc. Now, a big thing in the pandemic or the lockdown were webinars, which till date are a very useful tool to learn from. Now, Thinkful is a great platform which showcases a lot of these free webinars, and they have exclusive webinars which is hosted by this company itself. For example, they have something called wireframing and prototyping, and registration for all of these Thinkful seminars or Thinkful workshops are completely free. Yes, you can register, and as long as you're keeping an eye on their listings, you'll be able to stay up to date with a lot of industry standard stuff. They have such a huge list of webinars and seminars coming up. Wow, it's basically never ending. It's listed till December 15th, and the listing keeps on going till December 23rd. And I'm pretty sure they've planned for January as well. Not only that, at the end of the page, they have something called More Career Resources, which you can browse from. So it's essentially a beginner's guide for beginners who are wanting to create a career in UX, in design, in web design, and things like that. Now, designers want the best books possible. Now, thankfully, Chris Oliver has been able to collect a huge, massive list of books for UX and UI designers and even product designers in general. So if you go to explore the base, it showcases an entire database, a huge library of just books for different categories. There's UX design, UI design, usability, UX research, anything and everything you can think of in design, you will find this here. You can change between views, so if you like this gallery view with a lot of this information here, then it's great. Otherwise, you can even shift to something called table view. So you'll just get a huge table which is just never ending essentially. You can even suggest your own book. So if you read a good design book, you can always suggest the book to the creator, and he might even add your favorite book here. I really like how he's tagged each and every book with the appropriate topics it talks about. So if you don't know what a particular book focuses on, just by reading its summary, you can come here and cross-check whether it's the right book for you or not. And of course, they've given the appropriate Amazon links or whichever links they could find for a certain book, and you can always buy all these books off of Amazon. I really love how he's utilized Airtable and created this amazing list in such a nice manner. Everything can be sorted, grouped, filtered, and even hidden or unhidden. And for all the physical or the Excel sheet junkies, you have a print or a download button right here. And of course, you can always search. So if I want UX research, and I'll get multiple books with UX in the title. Now, if you're like me and you don't always want to read an entire book, you can read some parts of articles, books, publications on this website called Insight Hunt. Insights Hunt have a lot of these insights essentially marked from various articles taken all across the internet. So if you're looking for knowledge from articles or online and you don't want to read everything, you can always come here for all the really cool highlights. They've neatly organized it into design, research, process, UX writing, etc. I think UX writing is a very interesting topic. If I click on it, you will get some really cool quotes or really cool highlights from some really cool write-ups. And if you're looking for some random design gyan, you can always click on random and it will give you a nice little gyan here, which you can always share or save whatever you like. Now, apparently people love using Hunt at the end of the name. So another tool here is called Designer Hunt, which is kind of like ADP list, but it doesn't have any sort of mentorship here. So I know a lot of you guys are on Instagram or Twitter and other places, and you want to follow the right talent. They've divided everyone into different categories. So if you're a logo designer, you want to follow logo designers, this is the place to be. Or if you're a UI UX designer like I am, you can always search for and of course follow these amazing design talent right here. Kudos to everyone who made the list. Superhigh is a really cool library of amazing resources, custom resources created just for you. And of course, they have a bunch of courses online which you can take, which are just a few weeks, maybe a month or two. And they teach you a lot about UX, UI, AR, of course. They have JavaScript, they have UX, they have digital project management and things like that. I really like this one. It's completely free, Plan, Design Plus Code, your first website, which will teach you a lot about UI design, UX in general, and also teach you and also give you the fundamentals of designing a great website. Not only this, they have a lot of other things that they provide. They have guides, which essentially is a huge library of, just guides. Again, kind of like small ebooks that you can read on the go, and they're super fun to read. And of course, I absolutely love the graphics that they've used here. And of course, they have things like tutorials, books. Now, Audify is the platform to be if you want really cool insights from industry experts from Google, Microsoft, Paytm, Make My Trip, Sequoia. And you can get insights from them in an audio format. So for example, there is a problem like this. What are the top skills a UX designer should have? A lot of you guys have this question in mind. So you can learn from a short audio snippet from someone in the industry well known who can teach you well about this topic right here. And not only design, they have things like product management, they have software development, etc. And they've categorized everything into really cool categories right here. This tool is absolutely free and is available to download today on App Store as well as the Google Play Store. All you need to do is search for Audify and you will get the app on your phone. Again, a great initiative by Patange Balaji Rao. He's created some amazing resources for designers, PMs, etc. I think you guys should go support this cause right here. Now, talking about audio and podcasts, Whiteboard FM is a really cool resource where you can learn from interviews with the top designers of the world, essentially, not just India. They have some really cool interviews done with some amazing people from all these amazing companies. And they've also come up with season 2. So a new season is up and running right now. My friend Ansh Mehra on Instagram posts a lot of cool stuff about it. And I think you guys can always check out all the resources. They also have something called WB Live or Whiteboard FM Live, where they do a lot of these, live sessions with people where you can ask real-time questions and get real-time responses from them. I think a great initiative from our friends at 10K Designers. Alright, so that was it for today's video. Short, sweet, and crispy. I post such videos every Monday and Thursday. So if you want such great resources every week, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and also don't forget to click the bell icon. Otherwise, there's a chance you might miss out on this content. I'll see you every week, same time, same place. Until next time, take care. God bless.